Hello and welcome to free.net tutorials. This is Emmanuel Mendu. In this video we will discuss standard controls. I already explained some standard controls in the previous videos, and we are left over with these controls, and today we will discuss sequence. Okay, let's start our Visual Studio and open your website. Go to design mode, and you see now we are discussing on literal control. You just drag and drop your literal control, and literal control is mainly it won't allow us to do any styles for the text. You just enter like I love ASP.NET, like that. Literal control, it won't allow us to do any styles, to put any styles in this. That's what the main thing for the literal control. It stores some data. Like if you go to your source mode, you see you can keep any text here. You can't change the text color, color, styles, and everything. Whatever the text you want, default, you use this literal control. Okay, that's what the literal control does. And coming to our next control is our calendar. You just double click on it. We can change the view of your calendar, like simple, professional, like. Okay, and what I will show is, when you go to your properties, you see so many things there, like for color. And when you see here like true, select week test, you just see your control and see this. When you put false, you won't see that Sunday, Monday, like that. Whatever this is, the lines you see, the grid lines. Okay, try to work on this. Today day style, you can change the color of today's date, like you can keep back color different, that. See, okay, it depends upon how, your client's intention. Whatever your clients ask you, you need to design like that. So when you run your program, you see the calendar looks very beautiful. Okay, when you select number 8, 15, 13, like that. See, but the current date is not changed. This is our current date, April 1st, Thursday, and its default, it takes the current date. When you want anything like, let me show you an example. You just double click on your calendar control. First of all, you just take a text box here and go to our code and just like text box one.text equal to calendar one.selected date dot day dot to string. Okay, let's go and run the program. When you select on Wednesday field, you see the date here, like 21, 26, 29. You can use that thing In the default, the code is generated, and you don't want to write any code. You can use like day of week. When you select this on the Tuesday column, you see a Tuesday here. When you select this Thursday, when you select one Thursday, when you select two here, it's Friday. Okay, that is what the calendar control does. We'll see some good examples in further videos. This is a basic thing you need to know about the calendar, what the calendar does. Is there any code for the calendar? When you are we'll see another control here. AdRotator is the very important task in your real life. What I'll do is I'll take some controls, some images from the desktop. Just copy it and paste it in your project folder. So for AdRotator we need an XML. Go to add new item, select XML file here, just name it something else if you want. You see here something default, just start writing like advertisement AD image URL and impression. Okay, what I'll do is I just take Mana TV like this. You can drag and drop this thing here. And what you do is need to change this and go to default and just add. You see, you just right click on your properties of AdRotator and you just see add this XML file to your AdRotator. So just copy this thing, you got 4 images, so use that like Mega Chiru. Mega Star, movies 70mm. Okay, so let go to the default and run your program. Oops, you see error, could not find advertisements file, so maybe some mistakes here, something wrong there. So you see advertisements here and impression, just give some impressions here. It takes millisecond. Impression takes the time as milliseconds. So if you, when you run your program now, you see Mega Chiro here. When you refresh it, 70mm, again refresh, Mega Star, Mega Star, Mega Chiro, like that. This is what the AdRotator do. And I'm done with the AdRotator and today's video, and we will see you in the next video with another controls that which are left over, like file upload, how to upload a file, wizard control, multi-view control, panel control, substitution control. keep on working on these videos, and thank you. Bye bye.